I don't have a flashlight, so.
What the fuck? That's laying on my arm. Are you trying to flirt
Pamela.
with us?
Pamela?
I got
You're right, Mom. It does look like it's cleared off over here.
Yeah.
Is that person trying to flirt with one of us?
Why? By calling us monsters?
Come on, everyone.
Yeah, that's what it said. These are cleared.
1944. 1947. 1943.
What?
These are all
One of
Harveys.
these blokes are trying to flirt with one of us.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because it said hot.
1940.
Shine your light over here, Daryl.
This is fucking old.
Fucking A. It's not picking it up. Ayana. Hi, you precious girl.
As if that ain't fucking creepy. You wake up one morning and find fucking zombies in your house.
Albert.
What did that thing say?
Albert.
Okay, I'm done.
I swore I just heard Dahmer.
No, mine said Albert. Shine your light up this way a minute. That's what I thought.
Run.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Trapped.
Yeah, it said run and trapped.
Y'all motherfuckers already know we don't run.
No, that one says Matkin. This one.
That thing just said to throw a pig.
Yeah, okay, sure did. Okay.
Dangerous.
Where? We've already been to that one. Daryl, shine your light back here a minute.
Back where?
Over, okay.
Ayana.
Shine your light over here a sec.
How do you feel? Amy. Here.
Hee hee.
Quiet.
Nancy.
Again?
What did it say? Nancy.
Nancy. It said Nancy at the other cemetery.
Dislike.
Well, I'm glad you disliked. Who cares? What do we look like?
Ayana, guess where I live at?
We look like we actually care.
Yeah, do we?
Grandmother.
My grandmother ain't buried here, you dumbass. Matter of fact, I don't even know where that old hag's buried. And call me disrespectful, I don't care.
There's small
Yes.
ones hidden back here.
Yeah, there is.
There's two big ones.
What's the name on this one?
Wiley Daniel?
Harriet A. 1845.
Let me.
Neil.
One of my ex-girlfriends is here.
Watch your step.
Yep, be careful.
Right there.
Ayana, watch out for the hole, baby.
I can see it.
That's fucking, that ain't
Higher.
fucking weird.
Bribed.
That ain't fucking creepy in the middle, in the cemetery over here.
The fuck was that?
It's my foot
Okay,
is bigger
surgeon.
than it.
Okay, surgeon.
You God, that was close.
What?
Let's fucking go.
Let's go. That's right.
I'm gaming, motherfucker. God, son of a bitch. This fucking tells you, son of a bitch.
Quiet. Let's get over here.
Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch.
Ooh, I'm fucking cold. I got
God,
fucking
that ain't
cold
fucking
over
You
here.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah. I got fucking cold over here.
I know.
There's a fucking grave. Looks like grave. Fuck off.
Okay, I'm gonna say it. Son of a fucking dog shit.
Don't go in there. You know we're not allowed.
You're not allowed in.
No.
The kids.
No, just all of us. Us. I know, I'm fucking cold right here.
That's why I said son of a bitch, because I just dead.
Uh-huh.
Mom.
Yeah.
There ain't barely shit.
Why is there a path cut around this?
That's a goddamn
Goodbye.
good... Okay.
He's like, I'm out.
Uh-huh. Whichever one you are. Good goddamn question.
It literally goes all the way around.
Uh-huh.
Holy horse dog shit.
Horse dog shit?
Hey.
As if that ain't fucking freaky.
Uh-huh. Because there's no headstone.
Just
Rocks.
That motherfucker.
unmarked.
Uh-huh.
Unmarked witches or wizards.
Yeah.
One of them.
And I ain't touching that bitch with my bare
Doctor.
skin.
I'm not touching it. That's why, see, I got my sleeves.
Blue.
Well, my hand just touched it.
You don't have to worry too much.
I don't think
It won't bother the baby right now.
it won't bother you. Praying mantis.
That's fucking weird.
I'm gonna touch you on
You
fire.
know, I find them on trees and not metal.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's what I said. That ain't fucking weird.
Look.
Don't you fucking dare.
No, Ayana, just because he's on it don't mean it's safe.
Don't you fucking dare. I'ma fucking burn your ass.
You leave him alone.
He's getting mad.
It's a cute cricket.
You
He's being
want to
mean.
fight it? They're actually poisonous, too.
What
They
is
don't
it?
usually bite.
What is this?
I said fight it. You want to fight the phone? That's
What
because
is
of the iron.
And what's even stranger, Mom?
What is
Yeah.
this?
This one's by
fight it?
itself.
Hold on. I'm trying to...
You want to fight it? Look, you see him trying to fight it?
He's
Come
like,
here.
bring it on, you motherfucker. Bring it on.
No, he's trying to fight it. He's
The thing's like, bring it on, you motherfucker.
Bring me the light bring me the light this way, guys.
Mom,
Huh?
we got one by ourselves.
Uh-huh. There you go.
What is that?
Get over on the tree. There you go.
See, guys,
There
it was
you
like
go.
this. See, guys, it was like
It
this.
was literally
Carol?
fighting the air. It was like...
I moved him from the iron and put him on this tree.
What is that?
The
Toy.
hell?
Toy. What?
There, you shining your light right here?
Book.
The fucking tree's lit up red. I don't know. But it is.
See.
Oh!
Okay, let's go over here.
But here, guys, that thing was like this.
I know that damn praying mantis was trying to beat the phones up.
Okay.
Doctor.
Who is this? William Andrew Watson.
Yeah, I definitely didn't notice, guys.
Knife.
I can see why he's by himself. Anna, come over this way.
Over here.
Cursed. How do you feel?
Well, in a way, piss.
Stop.
Fuck you.
We both said it. Fuck you, bitch.
Quiet.
Um,
What is it?
it just quit.
Yeah, 'cause I'm not picking anything.
Leave me alone.
Good, then you leave us alone.
Yeah.
Bored.
Well, then go away if you're bored.
Monster. Higher. Funny.
Fuck you.
Oh, this
We
says
ain't
we're
funny,
funny.
you bitch. Ayana, stop.
Fuck you.
What
I don't get that, though.
did it say?
It said stop recording.
Fuck you.
I come over here. Yeah, mine's not
Higher.
doing it now.
Bouncing.
What?
Bless.
Babe, back
Up.
Guys, look. Here, Ayana.
My demon detector's going
Who
off
is
of
she?
mine.
Lori.
Well, it was.
See, guys, that
Hold on, let me pull
that
up the SLS.
thing was like this.
Mine was going up over there. And mine's
Mom.
not doing shit now, you bitch.
And the camera to me. That thing. In the camera.
I don't have my good light with me either. That's what's up.
Ayana, here. That bug was like, bring it on, tough guy. Bring it on, you bitches. Okay.
Lights down.
Put your
It's
lights down.
Ayana. I don't even have one.
She's got one too. Well, Ayana's wouldn't be blinding everybody.
No, it's half dead.
Mm-hmm.
Flames.
Ayana, light.
3.
Light.
It's off. I shut it off.
Flames. She's getting attacked by something.
Babe. Light. Down.
Sorry.
Are you a friend?
I'm done. Yep.
Daryl's pulling you backwards.
My shirt's already loose. Don't loosen it more.
Yeah, I will
something in
hold
there.
this
Yeah,
one.
there is. Stop it. Ayana.
Is one
Take
of?
the light.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's
Torturer.
something there. Why ain't mine doing that? I hear it breathing. Put your lights down.
Asylum. Monster.
Third monster. I don't know, but mine's not doing.
Do not.
See? Mine's not doing shit.
You.
You.
Well,
Bribe.
you know what? I think this phone just told me, fuck you.
Fuck you, bitch. Motherfucker. That's scared
I
me.
didn't me.
For fuck's sake. Sheldon, you
They said
stay
they're
on me.
bored.
Uh-huh. Put your light down, Daryl.
My
Fire.
DNA detector's cooking.
Yeah, yours is.
Okay,
Leave here.
I'll fire.
What the f did it
They
say?
told me to fire.
It said fire.
Oh, Jesus. Mine's starting to
Who is
blow.
she?
Now I'll show you my
Mine
light.
told me to leave here, and then who is she?
Mine told me to fire.
Mark.
I know.
I know. We can feel you.
See
Mark.
What do you want?
You better not mark anyone, dipshit.
It doesn't say marker.
Car.
What?
Car? No, we got truck.
Yep.
There's a difference.
For goddamn sure.
What do you want?
Hey.
We're getting fucking cold here.
Blue. You want blue?
There, Ayana, put that down. Put that down, baby.
What's blue?
Car.
I know my shirt's blue.
We don't have a goddamn car.
Blue car.
My truck's black, and it's a truck.
I have blue.
You can tell they've been dead a while.
Maybe the person died in a blue car?
Yeah, very good.
None. Dorothy. Attic.
There's something here.
It stopped doing it, ask Mom.
Uh-huh. There's something there. Even though mine's not picking up for red, it's still something. I can hear it too.
Higher.
Are you hiding in the trees?
Peekaboo.
Not so ballsy to talk to me, huh? What? Are you like my children? You know better than to disrespect me?
Sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Sorry, but we are
Surgeon.
the new children. We are younger. Sergeant?
Surgeon, again.
What does that mean?
Surgeon operates on people. Brr, I'm getting fucking cold over here. Come on. I'm about to turn in an ice cube over there.
Hi.
Come on, baby doll.
What? You pissed off? Huh? You pissed off?
Got the same diaper to be glad into.
You want to fight?
This is what my mama used to say.
Be a bitch.
You're mad and I'm glad. Got something to please you. Bottle length makes you think a little nigger boy or girl to kiss you.
Statue.
Be a bitch. Ow.
Who? Who's dangerous?
Apparently we are. Who's dangerous? You talking about us?
Mom.
Yeah.
I'm dangerous.
Yeah, there's another. God damn it.
Babe, get out. Back up.
Lower.
Mom.
I'm right here.
Bed.
Huh?
Concrete bed.
Uh-huh, Blackwell.
Are
Okay.
you a friend?
That hurt my head. I can be.
Yep, you're drawing the red.
Again.
Uh-huh. And mine's going up.
Yeah, yours is climbed from last time.
Uh-huh. God damn it, Ayana.
Higher.
You about knocked this out of my hand.
Friend.
I'm
see?
not. Hold on. Let me. It's Sally Blackwell. Born May 28th, 1826. Died December 25th, 1907.
That's funny. Blackwell.
And it looks like a baby.
And they got double doors, double gates.
Why in the hell would you double gate a baby? Babies aren't wicked. They're not born wicked.
Who the fuck is this guy?
I don't know. It's around the front here, though.
Yeah.
I'll step on it. There you go.
Help me.
Lou A, 1871, 1958, and then Dan, 1866 and 1949. I'll step in it.
Yeah, Ayana's right there next to you.
Uh-huh.
I know
Benjamin.
someone's messing
Benjamin?
with my coat.
We didn't see nobody with Benjamin over here.
I felt
Bloody.
something touch my
Oh, bloody.
back.
Something
Here,
touched you.
Ayana.
Get over this way then. Get off of that. Something touch
Here,
your back.
there's your
Grab your light.
Oh, okay, thank you. Stay away from me, I'll kick your ass.
What the fuck?
Pamela.
I do not know. Anyways.
Whatever
Total-
just touched my phone fucking went all the way up.
Uh-huh.
I'm down to
I'm leaving.
9% now.
Yeah.
And I was at 26.
Uh-huh.
You're hiding?
Coffin. How are you?
I'm good.
That's weird. Hidden and coughing.
I'm just pissed off because my
Is there
van.
unmarked graves here?
I'm pretty sure there are.
It just
That's a
said
weird-
hidden coffin.
Move. Go that way. Watch out for that stone.
1891.
That stone right there.
This time?
Yeah.
No,
Cause
there's
see,
Amber.
one behind Dave.
Yes.
see, right here. Somebody was buried here.
Maybe.
What the fuck?
What the holy fucking moly?
It started doing this and then it said father.
Mama holding it.
Touch, motherfucker!
I saw it. I definitely.
That definitely shouldn't have happened.
Yep.
And there was no one there.
Bedroom.
No shit, there wasn't nobody there because we were over here.
If I was
Shovel.
in there, I'll be
I'm not digging anybody up.
I'll be like this.
That happened and I just got really cold and I was warm.
Oh no.
I just got really, and I got the goosebumps.
Watch
Here we
out.
go again.
Yep. Quiet.
Free.
Something touched right here and there's nothing,
Priest.
there's no weeds there.
Sorry, Deanna said something touched her back.
It went like this, look, it went. Where's your kneecap? It was like,
It was like this.
Okay.
It was
What's
like
this
that.
say?
My back. Oh shit.
Jane Seal.
So it touched it.
on March 16th, 1831, died February 6th, 1891.
Because Ayana, if it touched your
60.
butt, then it's a fucking pervert.
Yeah.
It was just
Soon.
like
Hey!
Let us
What?
all
What?
meet
Let us all meet.
Condiment.
Psychic. Happy.
I don't know. I
I just
can't.
got burnt.
Here, move your light so we can read it.
Let us all meet.
Daryl, stop.
No, he's doing good. Actually, I could see
Oh.
better that way. Let us
Accordance.
all meet according to appointment in the home of eternal
Eternal.
rest. As if that ain't fucking creepy.
That's just not
Okay,
creepy
here,
at all.
pause the video for a second.
Annoying.
Investigations.
Jason's bitch.
Because, see, you guys are not on registers of being haunted places. And you know what? I forgot that goddamn thing in my purse again.
Look at my leg.
Closer.
Uh-huh. Where you want me to
Hello.
get closer to?
Demon.
my ass.
How am I getting closer to a demon? Fuck
Camera.
you. A camera? Yeah.
Here's a camera. Here's a fucking camera, bitch.
Here's a goddamn girl.
Anna, watch it.
What, did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that, Ayana. I can hear my phone. I'm not deaf.
What shelter?
Boat.
Can you not see me? I'm standing right here.
Let me see. I am not shining my light over there. I just heard that too.
No.
Shut up. Shut up.
Quiet. What the fuck?
It's playing with the fucking truck.
Who? Buried. Hot.
You dumb
quiet.
shit. You can't even drive these vehicles nowadays that they made.
He can't even start it. Now, if the bitch starts, I'm out.
Yeah, we're all walking home.
Because Mom.
Huh? Yeah, I know. That's what I said. It starts, we're all walking home. Because I ain't getting back in that motherfucker.
Richard, come get your key fob, dude.
Yeah,
Why? 'Cause
a
your
spirit
truck's
ran
haunted.
off with the truck.
Your truck's haunted. No, it's not. Bullshit.
Eh.
He just stuck it back in his pocket is all he did.
Happy.
Not
Leave here.
Believe me, I'm
Are they
tempted.
fucking with the battery life, maybe?
Maybe trying to drain the energy from it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Leave here.
Get away from that truck, motherfucker, or else.
Disrespectful.
Yeah, I'll show you goddamn disrespectful.
Get away from that fucking truck.
I'm gonna kick you with my hand.
I know
It has
you,
been
because
messing
there's
with
no
this
one
truck.
Fucking here. There's nobody fucking here. Did that motherfucker lock it?
He locked it, but I unlocked it. I touched the handle. All I gotta do is touch this.